Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you own Konami. Net and can log into its registrar. This is non-negotiable. Once done, make sure you have admin email, DNS control, and any verification documents at hand so you won't pause mid-process. Next, decide if at Konami. Net will be used for email, web services, or API/service accounts because that choice determines which records you'll create. Finally, open the registrar dashboard and the DNS manager side by side so you can copy values directly into records without switching screens. Now you configure DNS to route and authenticate at Konami. Net. First, add MX records pointing to your mail provider using proper priority numbers. This tells the internet where to deliver mail. Next, publish an SBF TXT that lists authorized senders. Then add the DKIM public key the provider supplies and a DMARC policy TXT to enforce handling. If you'll use subdomains, create corresponding A, or CNAME records. Make sure TTLs are reasonable and save changes so propagation can begin. Finish by validating everything. Perform external DNS lookups and send test messages to confirm at Konami. Net is accepted and delivered. You should check that DKIM signatures validate, SBF aligns with sending IPs, and DMARC reports show expected behavior. If alignment fails, correct record syntax or add missing hosts. Once corrected, wait for TTL propagation and retest. If things still fail, clear your local DNS cache. Double-check registrar name servers, and escalate with the provider while sharing exact DNS responses for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.